Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. It's going to be a watch us work because Miss Maintenance is here with me today.
Hello.
It's actually after work hours type thing and the reason why I'm doing this is because where I'm going is at a customer's lake house that I normally do work for. His residence is in the town I work in, but he's got a lake house. It's like over an hour drive for me to get there. He sent me some pictures, said he's got a plumbing issue and the holiday weekend's coming up. They're going to have a lot of their family and stuff up there. One of the things it looks like in the picture is he's got some CPVC valves as far as to his kitchen faucet. Looks like one of those is leaking, and then I think he also said his sprayer handle to his faucet's leaking. Based on the picture, I think I found the sprayer handle. I think it was going to be like $60 just to get the sprayer handle itself. So he opted to, hey, just go ahead and buy a whole new faucet and change that out. That way I don't get up there and have the wrong part or something like that. So that's what we're going to get into. I'm not going to film any of the drive because it's a pretty long drive. And you're probably thinking to yourself, why in the world is somebody paying you to drive an hour and a half out of your way to go change a kitchen faucet, maybe fix a leak? Well, this customer really likes me for one, and then he also only lets good-looking people work in his house. So he said me and Miss Maintenance had to be the people to come take care of it for him. So that's what we're going to go do. Again, I'm not going to film any of the getting up there, but next time you see us, you'll see us at the house.
See you there.
Weird. Let's see what we see. The hot valve leaks. Cold valve's not. And then it's leaking there. So I guess I'm gonna go figure out which one of these is their water, I guess. They got their own water. I think they have a water, main water right there. Off. So I'm taking a compression valve and I'm just going to change out the valve part, hopefully, if it works out, because CPVC, if you go to glue it, you have to wait 2 hours, and I don't really want to do that. So essentially robs this part. That way I'm not messing with the glue joint. Typically, I don't even work on CPVC. If somebody has it, it's a no-go for me most of the time. Swap up and do this. So I'm having to work in between that. That's why my wrenching skills aren't the best. I'm contorted in here pretty good.
I'm sure you want the instructions, right?
Yeah. Instructions are for suckers.
I thought that's what you would say.
Need a washer thing, yeah.
And then you need to feed down the little hole.
the faucet look pretty straight. I'm banging them on the pipe. I'm hoping you guys can see because it's pretty tight. Everything's still straight. Is there any kind of weight ball in that package?
A weight ball?
Yeah, I don't, this might not come with it since it's just a sprayer. I'm just checking.
Pretty sure we emptied the box.
All right. All right. I got 2 supply lines. Let's see if these are long enough. I got 2 longer ones in the truck if they're not. Man, it's a tight cabinet. Yes, and yes. It's a little too close. I'll have to go get a long one for that one. Yep. Am I still good? I don't have the hot one on yet, but
You need a paper towel.
yeah. Make sure y'all are in here seeing. Probably none of my footage will be any good. We'll see.
No drips.
Alright guys, so we got that faucet changed out with the help of Miss Maintenance. I also changed out half of the CPVC valve. I only changed out like the mechanical side of it. Luckily this was a compression glue-on valve. I didn't want to get into that glue joint because if I cut that off, glued that one on, I'd be sitting here for 2 hours waiting for that to cure enough so that I could turn on the pressure and make sure I didn't have any leaks. So I definitely didn't want to do that. I also didn't want to have to think about the whole way home and nobody's going to be up here for a few days. Oh, I hope that glue joint's set up. It's just something I don't have to worry about. Overall, pretty easy job. Thankful to Miss Maintenance. She was helping me unpack, handing me tools and all those kinds of things like that.
And now I'm going to help him pack back up so that he doesn't forget anything.
Yep.
And have to come back up here to pick up a wrench.
So we're going to get cleaned up, get back in the truck, and head to the house. Hopefully this video was interesting in some way. Hopefully it helped somebody. As always, you guys stay safe. Have a blessed day.
See you on the next video.